Hello, art friends. We're going to be drawing Rod Wave today. We're going to be making it into a caricature. So we're going to draw a great big head and a little bitty body. Just a little bitty one. So I'm going to lay this out with my pencil so I kind of know where everything's going. Okay. I think we are ready. Just gonna put in where the eyes are going, where the mouth is going. I think I'm ready. You guys keep drawing in your pencil. All right. So to start with, we're gonna draw the top of his head. Like that. That's his face part. Then I'm going to draw his cheek that comes out, his cheek that comes out there, and then we've got like an ear here, little C, and then we've got all the gorgeous locks of hair. Try not to be perfect with this. The less perfect, the better it'll look. All right, I think that looks pretty good. There we go. Then we're gonna draw the bottom of the chin, which is covered in his beard. And it's gonna make its way up to the cheek, like that. Then we're gonna draw the top of the beard. So it's gonna come in and come up. Just like so. There we are. Then we're gonna draw a little under the lip line. There's his bottom lip, just like that. And then here's the middle part of his mouth. And it's not straight across, it's kind of coming down. Then we're gonna start right here. And we're gonna just make a droopy line like that for his top lip. Then we're gonna draw a little V. And his nose holes, like so. And then we're gonna draw a C and a backward C. And there is his nose. Then, kind of right here where this line stopped, we're gonna draw his eyes. So we're gonna draw kind of a slanty line like that, and then more of a straight line underneath, like that, straight line underneath, and then I'm gonna put some pupils in, iris and pupils. There we go. And then for the eyebrows, he's got really expressive eyebrows. They're gonna come up, come down, back like that. Come up, back down. Kind of like an upside down Nike swish. Yeah. All right, so there is his face. Oh, you know what? I forgot an ear. There we go. Now he's got two ears. Very important to be able to hear if you're a singer, of course. Let's kind of connect that better. There's his arm. His little shirt under there. We have a little strappy jacket, the legs, cuff on the pants, little fancy part here. Shoes. Comes up. All right, let's draw this other side so it comes out. And around. Well, I suppose we should finish this side. Little pockets. Go. Shirt underneath. And the shirt comes down. Go. And then we've got this line coming here, little pocket. There's the arm. And we're gonna draw Mike here. There's his hand, there's the end of the mic. Go. And then we've got the other side of the pants. Shoe. All right, and that looks pretty good. We'll put him on the ground. And there we have it, Rod Wave. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.